Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a Slack channel. Slack channels are the best way to organize team communication, and in this video tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a new Slack channel for any project, team or topic, and keep your workspace clean and productive. Now let's start by following these few simple steps together. The first step is to open Slack. Now on your mobile device, just go to the Slack app and click on it. If you haven't downloaded it already, just go to your App Store or Play Store and download it from there. Now, if you're using your desktop, just go to your web browser and type in slack.com and make sure you sign in using your account's credentials. Once logged in, now on the app, click on the plus button and choose the channel option. Now here, you're gonna write the channel's name, for example, marketing team, and click on next. Now you're gonna set the visibility. You can set the visibility from public, so anyone can access this channel, or private if you only want specific people to access this channel via the invite. Just gonna click on create. Here you can add people by entering their name if you have their contacts on Slack, or just by passing their email, writing their email. And just like that, you created a channel. Here you can add a brief description describing the channel, its purpose. It helps the people in the channel recognize what they're doing in this channel. And you can also add people after creating a channel by clicking on the add people here. And also you can message them here. You can write a message and you can upload files or videos or attachments, etc. Now your Slack channel is ready to go. You can now send messages, share files, and collaborate better. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.